He writes a letter. He wrote a letter. They play football. They played football. He drinks coffee. He drank coffee. I go to school. I went to school. We eat lunch at noon. We ate lunch at noon. She sings beautifully. She sang beautifully. The dog runs fast. The dog ran fast. He reads a book. He read a book. I am happy today. I was happy yesterday. She drives a car. She drove a car. He buys a new phone. He bought a new phone. We watch TV in the evening. We watched TV in the evening. The baby cries loudly. The baby cried loudly. I feel tired. I felt tired. The teacher teaches English. The teacher taught English. He builds a house. He built a house. She catches the ball. She caught the ball. We sit on the bench. We sat on the bench. The sun shines brightly. The sun shone brightly. He climbs the mountain. He climbed the mountain. They discuss the project. They discussed the project. She forgets my birthday. She forgot my birthday. We listen to music. We listened to music. The cat jumps on the table. The cat jumped on the table. He draws a beautiful picture. He drew a beautiful picture. The chef cooks delicious food. The chef cooked delicious food. I send an email. I sent an email. She borrows a book from the library. She borrowed a book from the library. They explore the old castle. They explored the old castle. He solves the puzzle. He solved the puzzle.